yung mundo niyan eh. Siyempre, when they go to school, nagkaka-friends na sila. Habang lumalaki sila, nag-iiba yung friends, dumadami, nagkakaroon na sila ng iba-ibang influence. Kumbaga sa yung nakikita nilang mundo, hindi lang yung lagi nakikita nila pag nasa bahay sila. So it's a slow burn. Then after a while, I don't know, you just know when it's time to let them go. Like, if I'm a hovering parent, kung pwedeng lagi silang nandiyan sa akin. Pero pagka sinabi na nilang they need to go, makikita ka ba? Hindi siya madali, but you know it's time. So remember, last year lang ako naging almost empty nester because last year, Kyla and Moira decided to move out. Diba? Eh, anong gagawin ko? Magta-30 na si Kyla, awatin ko pa ba siya? Sabi ko lang sa kanya is, be good. Be good, diba? Matuto na kayo maglinis ng bahay. Yan lang yung mga bilin ko. Yung malalaki na sila, kaya na nila yan.
Iba ka din naman. Nay Mega, please share!
Ako hindi sa biological age, nasa mental and emotional age. Kasama ikaw nagpalaki. So makikita mo yung kung kaya na ba o hindi. Like Miel, maybe 20. Pero no, she's not ready. Baby pa namin yan. When Casey left home, she was kaka-18 lang niya. Parang naintindihan ko naman kasi, di ba, kahit sa Amerika, 18, feeling ko nasa Pilipinas tayo, di ba pwedeng hanggang mga 88 na siya, nandito lang siya sa akin. Di ba, kahit mag-asawa, kung pwede dito na lang, gagawan ko sila ng apartment. So, parang when that happened, pinakita pa niya sa amin yung condo na gusto niyang bilhin. Ako naman, sige, she has to start. Parang she has to start somewhere. So, when she graduated from college, sinabi ko na, when we get home, I'm handing over to you buong-buo lahat ng kinita mo, walang bawas kahit piso. So sabi niya, no, ma'am ko, no, you have to learn. So, parang ganun. So, she bought her condo, tapos maya-maya, pag natatanong siya sa akin ng kung okay na investment to, okay. Pag hindi, I'm just hoping na yung mga in-investa niya tama. Pero at that time, she already spent 4 years kasi abroad in college. So, natuto na siyang maging independent, yung maglinis ng bahay, magluto. So, medyo meron na siyang, equipped na siya na ng konti. So, napakasakit, pero hindi mo pwedeng pigilan eh. Pwede lang makiusap, baka naman pwedeng wag muna. Like, nung after Casey nga na maagang bumukod, ito naman si Frankie at Miel Calagalay kung sinasabi, wag muna ha, yung kung mag-aasawa na kayo, pwede ka usapin namin. Dito na lang kayo. Di kami nahingela. May parang gano'n kung pwede lang kasama. Parang si Janice din, gusto mo. Nandyan lang.
Okay, Alex.
Sorry, Mare.
Follow-up question. What mararamdaman mo? Lahat ng klaseng, para ka rin artista pag nagsisermon ka. So yung sermon mo, indifferent may masaya ka, may galit ka, may nagmamakaawa ka, so parang may patambling kang nagsisermon. You're just to be able to get to them. And you know, my children now, when we talk about it, nagtatawanan sila, yung pinagtatawanan nila ako. Kasi, totoo yun I'm a crazy mother, I have to admit that. Kasi all emotions, lahat klase. And because I am a single parent, I really don't have the time
to bullshit.
Diba? So, para sa akin, when I have to say something, if we need to talk about something, whether it be boys, whether it be sex, whether it be, huwag na tayong maglokohan, wala akong time. So, sinasabi ko lang sa inyo ng diretsyo. Totoo yun, diba? Diretsyo. Kasi, pag hindi mo din diretsyo, hindi kayo magkakaintindihan. Better kung sabihin mo na ng diretsyo. Yung sila yung nasa-shock, oh my God, mom. Gaganon sila. Oh my God, mom, please, no. Kasi ko, please, yes.
Ako inaano ko lang lagi honesty, diba?
Yeah.
I appreciate honesty. So I may jump up and down when I hear something, but I will never ever judge you. I will love you unconditionally. But you lied to me. I don't like lying. That's the one thing I cannot stand. But I don't demand what I cannot give it. So I'm straight with you. Please be straight with me, respectfully. But you respect me, I respect you. Don't play games with me. Ganun lang. But they can tell me anything, same as Janice. Busy nga kami.
This is why I love going to work also. Can I just say? Kasi
I mean, ang dami mong matututunan. Even like motherhood, life in general. Eto na, nakikita niyo kung paano, kung ano yung nakukuhang inputs from each one of the people in the show. And it's sobrang saya. Anyways,
sorry, si Elise pareho ko yan. Pareho kaming birthday.
yes! January 6. Capricorn. Anyways, I think for me I think it's too early for me to tell. Yes, so I'm just excited for what's to come, hearing stories from other moms as well, from my own mom, from the moms that I work with. Parang exciting kasi nga sabi nila nakakabaliw, di ba? Exciting naman yun. And I'm just really looking forward to it. Right now, siguro masasabi ko, I'm a mother of love. Kasi ngayon, yun ang binibigay ko sa kanya as much as I can.
At what point were you more of a mother, and at what point were you more of a father?
All the time. When we had to be mother and father. Ako, when I had to be both mom and dad to Casey, nasa akin siya eh. So parang, ang hirap talaga pala. Kasi may roles na talagang dapat sa ama. May roles na talagang dapat sa ina. So ang hirap talaga na mag-isa. I sympathize with all single parents out there. Both moms and dads. It's not easy talaga being both to your child. And it's not always possible to be both. You just do your best. Pero all the time, 100%. You try to, you'll never replace the father. Pero just do your best na lang to fulfill some of the duties na wala kayong choice kasi kayo lang.
I think for most of my life, I'm always a mother and a father at the same time. Their fathers are there, pero on a daily basis, I am a mom and a dad at the same time. It's really not easy. It's really not easy kasi may mga bagay ka na, like I said, that's why I have to be blunt with my children. Because I am trying to act out two roles, and it really is not easy. And it's still not easy, even if my children are all grown up, o mas madali silang kausap, pero may mga bagay pa rin na parang nangangailangan ng second parent na discussion. But then you try to be both. So, I just hope that I'm doing a good job. Yun lang yun.
Diba? Thank you, Alex. Yeah?
Ako marami, kasi yung life lesson, hindi mo yan masasabing matututunan mo unless mapagdaanan mo or napagdaanan ng iba.
Right.
Siyempre, coming from them po na napagdaanan yung maraming bagay, when you listen, you know na eventually, kung dadating ka sa posisyon na pagdaanan mo yung napag-usapan, alam mo yung pakiramdam na, baka ito yung pwede kong gawin. Medyo, in a way, meron ka ng parang pre-game, kumbaga medyo na-brief ka na ika nga. Malaking bagay yun. Kasi growing up, or kung ikaw bilang nanay, ang hirap nun kapag lost ka, pag walang nag-mother din sa'yo. So parang yun yung tinatawag nga na i-break mo yung cycle. So ikaw, paano mo ipaprocess yun kung hindi mo alam din i-process? Pero with their, yung napagdaanan nga nila, ika nga, malaking tulong yun, malaking baon yun sa buhay para din ma-apply mo. Eventually, ma-apply mo talaga.
Sam?
Life lesson sa katabi mo, sa kaliwa mo, meron.
Kasi normal
na
hindi na parang life lessons yung pinag-usapan namin. Yung parang normal na kwentuhan. We just share life lessons.
Pero hindi mo alam, life lesson na pala yun. Diba? Sometimes, diba?
Hindi pa nakafocus yung mind niya dun eh.
Pero pagdating sa acting, for sure. Definitely sa acting.
Ano yung Julie?
Oh yeah, si Ate Shawi, daming tulong sa kasi type 2 diabetes ako, so maraming tulong si Ate Shawi sa diabetes ko.
Inspiration.
Kahit wala si Zia dito, meron naman tayong Sam. Siya yung pinakabata sa amin lahat dito.
Siya ba?
Parang ako bata sa set eh.
Okay.
MJ, tribute lang.
Okay.
Alam niyo ba, before the great day and Gina left us, ito yung...
Hindi ko kaya.
Hindi, biro lang. Hindi, gusto ko makita yung story. Kaya nga, di ba, sa simula, sinusubaybayan namin yung script. Alam namin, tinatanong, what's next? Ano yung pinanggalingan nito? Ano yung ganyan? When it became really interesting, hindi na ako nagbasa ng script.
Oh.
Kasi gusto ko malaman, gusto ko ma-surprise.
Nice.
Tapos with Zia, syempre, di ba? So, pinanood ko talaga. But yung mga sa eksena ko, hindi masyado.
Okay. Elise, ikaw?
Ako, pinanood ko rin siya. Kasi gusto ko din yun, mapagdugtong-dugtong yung mga kinukunan namin on set, paano siya nilatag as a whole thing. So, when I was watching, parang, sabi ko sa sarili ko, as an audience ka manunood ha, huwag mong panoorin to as parang, yun nga, magkakritik ng performance ng self. As an audience manunood, and gusto ko din talagang umiyak kasi alam ko talagang nakakaiyak si Zia and the story and the rest of the cast. So gusto ko yun ma-experience.
Okay. Julia, ikaw naman.
Ako din po, hindi rin kasi ako nanonood ng preview or kunwari after ng take, yung titignan mo yung sarili mo. Hindi, may hiya ako. Pero eto, for the first time, pinanood ko yung buong episodes. Kasi gusto ko, si mama ko kasi, syempre definitely si mama. Sometimes, may mga hindi siya naiintindihan. So, kailangan kong i-explain sa kanya para at least kapag nagtanong siya sa akin, alam ko kung paano i-explain. Kasi nga, marami tayong mapapanood sa TV na hindi natin napanood sa Prime.
Right.
So, kaya ko rin pinanood para alam ko kung hanggang saan lang yung ikukwento ko. Kasi baka mamaya todo kwento naman ako tapos hindi pa pala.
And on that note, let's